So a typical Java project has multiple Java files in it, and I want to just demonstrate how you create a project with multiple files in it. So I'm going to use our project here with triangles and CV triangles and show you how that works. So I'm going to download these guys. Oh, actually, you know what? I think you could. Oh, so yeah, when you click it, it might just come up like this. Actually, that'd be fine. I'm gonna click them, pull them both up this way, because I'm just gonna copy and paste in a minute. So I have two classes here. I have a triangles class and a CV triangles class, which is my canvas. So this extends canvas, and this guy extends frame. And notice there's a main method in the triangles class. There's no main method anywhere in the canvas class. So it's actually the triangles class that's going to run the program. And another thing you'll notice is that someplace there is right here. We add CV triangles, we add the canvas to our frame in here, even though CV triangles is not defined in here. So what that means is that we need to also add this class to our project in order for it to work. So let me just set up a demo. So I'm going to create a new project, Java application, and we'll call it Triangles Demo. Call yours whatever you want. And my main class is going to be triangles. That's the class that's going to have my main in it. And go ahead and create it, and it creates it with a triangles class already in there. So this is the class that I'll replace with my with the triangles class, but I'm also going to need a CV triangles class, this guy. So let me just copy, I'm going to Control C here, because I'm going to use that to create a new class. So you can click on this where it says default package, and you can just right click actually and say new Java class and paste that in there. So that's going to be my CV triangles, and notice it already appends the Java on here for the file that it's going to create. I say finish. Alright, and so now I'll do my copying and pasting here. So here's my CV triangles class. I'm going to just say Control All or Command All if you're on a Mac, and Control C or Command C, whatever you need, to copy that. And in my CV triangles, I'm going to say Control A again to select everything, or however you select all. And then I'll do it from here, make it more visible, and say paste. Yoink, and there it is. Okay, and I'll just save that. I'll say File, Save, and then you need to do the same thing with the triangles folder, file. I mean, triangles. Yoink. So I just did a select all with Control A and Control C, and again you use Command, the Command key instead of the Control key if you're on a Mac. So I'm copying that, and now I'm in my triangles class. So I'm saying select all, or you could say choose select all out of here too if you wanted to, and paste. There we go, and save that. Alright, and now what you'll notice is, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's a tiny green run button. It looks like this one up here. That means that's what appears in classes that have a main method. So I mentioned before, triangle has the main method in it. So those are the guys you can run. So if you want to do like right click and run file, you would do it off of this guy. Okay, so that should run fine. Okay, so where you can run into trouble is, so for example, you can't run, if you try doing a run file on this guy, it says, oh, it doesn't have a main method, can't run it. Okay, so you need to use this one. You also might run into trouble if you don't have both of these files in here, or if they haven't been copied over or whatever. Okay, but that's the basic idea. And then whenever you want to add a new class, you can just say new Java class and add more classes. But that's very typical, is that you have packages, and usually these are named packages. I'm not naming any of the packages because the author in the book doesn't name the packages, and it just makes it easier to reuse his code to not name packages. But so that's why this says default package here. But typically, yeah, what you do is under default, under your whatever your package is, that's where you add all your classes.